Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a bonus on Hard Rock Bait app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, go to your account balance or promotion section. Here you will see any bonus baits available. Bonus bait are free baiting credit you can use on certain games or sport. Browse the app and pick the sport or game you want to bet on. Tap on the odds or the event you like. Make sure the event allows bonus bet, some may not. When you go to place the bet, the app will show your available balance and bonus bet. Select the bonus bet option before confirming. This ensures you are using your bonus instead of real money. Tap confirm bet. Your bonus bet is now placed. If you win, the winnings minus the original bonus amount are added to your real balance. And that's it. Using a bonus bet on the Hard Rock app is simple. Just pick your game, select your bonus and place your bet safely. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.